Welcome to Finducts, where the everyday meets the extraordinary. Today, we're taking you deep inside one of the world's most iconic chocolate creations, the legendary Kit Kat. With its unmistakable red wrapper, crisp wafer crunch, and velvety chocolate coating, Kit Kat has become a symbol of sweet comfort across continents. But behind that simple snap lies a complex and incredible journey, one that begins under the blazing sun of West Africa and ends with over 8 million chocolate bars rolling off the line every single day. Chapter 1. The chocolate begins in the tropics. Our story begins thousands of miles away, in the heart of West Africa, where over 60% of the world's cocoa originates. Here, under a canopy of tropical heat, cocoa farmers carefully handpick ripened cocoa pods in a labor of love passed down through generations. It's July, harvest season. With machetes in hand, farmers slice open golden pods to reveal rows of plump, white cocoa beans nestled inside. Each bean is a vessel of potential, the raw essence of the chocolate we adore. The beans are laid out on massive mats to dry under the sun for more than a week. They're turned daily, kissed by heat, and shielded from rain. This slow, natural drying process seals in their rich, chocolatey aroma. Chapter 2. From bean to factory. Before these beans can enter the factory, they must pass rigorous quality inspections. No compromises allowed. First, a moisture check. Too wet? Mold risk. Too dry? Flavor loss. Then comes a physical inspection: size, texture, color. Only the best are selected. And finally, a scent test, done by master chocolatiers who can detect even the faintest notes of fermentation or bitterness. Chapter 3. Roasting and grinding the cocoa. At Nestle's high-tech production facility, the beans enter the first phase of transformation, the fire trial, or roasting. Just like coffee, chocolate flavor is born in fire. The exact temperature and timing? A tightly guarded secret. The beans crackle as their shells split open, releasing waves of rich, nutty aroma. Inside each bean, something incredible is happening. Flavor is waking up. After roasting, the beans are ground into a thick, dark paste, known as cocoa liquor. From there, it's pressed to extract pure cocoa butter, forming dense cakes that weigh up to 7 kilograms each. These cakes are ground again to form fine cocoa powder, one of the star ingredients in Kit Kat's signature flavor. Chapter 4. Crafting the chocolate. Now, the magic truly begins. The cocoa powder is combined with sugar, milk solids, cocoa butter, and a few secret ingredients in a massive steel mixer. This thick paste is then conched, a process where chocolate is churned and refined for hours, reducing particle size to a microscopic level. The longer it conches, the smoother the taste. Then comes tempering, a precise process of heating and cooling to stabilize the chocolate. Without tempering, chocolate turns dull, gray, and crumbly. But with it becomes smooth, glossy, and irresistibly snappy. Chapter 5. The birth of the wafer. While the chocolate is being perfected, something equally vital is underway: the creation of Kit Kat's crunchy heart, the wafer. A carefully crafted batter made of wheat flour, sugar, oils, and leavening agents is pumped into baking molds. The temperature? Over 375 degrees Fahrenheit. The time? Just 30 seconds. Out comes a golden, airy wafer, crisp, light, and flawlessly thin. But here's a secret: the chocolate inside the Kit Kat isn't the same as the coating. That creamy filling between the wafer layers? It's made from crushed Kit Kat pieces. Bars that didn't pass inspection are reborn as a fine paste, blended with chocolate to form the perfect bonding layer. Sustainable and delicious. Chapter 6. The Coating Symphony. Now comes the most hypnotic part of the process: the chocolate enrobing. Wafers glide across conveyor belts like royalty. Warm, molten chocolate rains down in a perfectly measured stream, coating each bar 3 times for a rich, indulgent finish. Then, a final wafer is placed on top, like a crown on a king, completing the bar's signature shape. Chapter 7: Precision, Packaging, Imperfection. Sharp blades slice each long Kit Kat slab into the perfect 4-finger format. Every cut is measured to the millimeter. Then, bars pass through strict quality scanners. Any with cracks, bubbles, or blemishes are instantly removed. But nothing is wasted. Flawed bars go right back into the filling mixture. The perfect ones move ahead to packaging, where high-speed robots wrap them in iconic foil, followed by the red outer wrapper, bold, vibrant, unmistakably Kit Kat. Chapter 8: A Global Sweetheart. From here, bars are boxed, loaded onto trucks, and shipped to warehouses across the globe. Each day, over 8 million Kit Kat bars are produced. That's nearly 3 billion a year. Whether you're in Tokyo, Toronto, or Timbuktu, a Kit Kat is never far away. So next time you have a break, have a Kit Kat. Remember, you're not just biting into a chocolate bar. You're tasting a legacy. A masterpiece of engineering, passion, sustainability, and timeless flavor. Thanks for watching Finducts, your home for fascinating stories behind the products we take for granted. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and get ready for more deep dives into the delicious, the bizarre, and the extraordinary.